What is the use of doing surgery when you have this video I'm about to make? Before you go on to do forehead reduction surgery, please watch this video. I'm begging you, watch this video before you go and reduce your forehead with surgery. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make your forehead look smaller. It's no secret that the most beautiful girls in the world have big forehead, but sometimes you don't want to go out with your big forehead. You want to still change up your look and have that small forehead, and you want a different look entirely. But today I'm going to share with you guys how to make your forehead look smaller with makeup. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, then keep on watching. Now, the first step to achieving the illusion of a smaller forehead is to find a foundation that matches you. If your foundation does not match you, if it's lighter than your skin tone, this is not going to work out so fine. It wouldn't look as natural as possible. You need to use a foundation that is your skin tone or a little bit darker than your skin tone. That is how you're going to get the illusion of a smaller forehead. Now we're just going to blend the foundation using a beauty blender. It's not compulsory to use a beauty blender. You can use a foundation brush. Any tool you're comfortable with, just use it. There are no rules. Although there are some rules, but in this situation, there are no rules. Just blend it out. This step is literally gonna make or break your forehead game. If you want your forehead to look smaller, you literally cannot skip this step. Emphasis on cannot skip the step. You must do the step. So you need a concealer or a foundation or a face product that is 2 or 3 shades lighter than your regular skin tone. This will serve as your contour. So listen to me really clearly. If you want your forehead to look smaller, you need to bring the concealer down your head. Don't be scared to apply contour on your forehead. If you want your forehead to look bigger, you make sure the concealer is shorter. So in this case, the focus is to make it look smaller. So we're going to add a lot of contour to the forehead. This will give an illusion of a smaller forehead because the contour is going to add shadows to the forehead and make it look smaller. Now you want to take a brush or a beauty blender, any tool of your choice, and just blend it out. Now you're not going to blend it forward, you're going to blend it into your hairline. It's already looking smaller, isn't it? I know it looks messy, it looks splotchy, and you're like, girl, what the hell are you doing? Don't worry, just trust the process. This is just the first step. Although it's the most important step, it's just the first step. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go on to our concealer. This is going to highlight the forehead, but only highlight the parts we want, which is the smaller section of the forehead. So just follow along. We're going to use concealer to highlight the smallest portion of our forehead. We're going to make sure that we only highlight the part of the forehead we want to be visible. So the smaller the forehead, the smaller the concealer would be. You don't want to drag the concealer too outwards. If not, the illusion is not going to be illusioning. Just apply it like a rainbow. Ooh, yeah. You can see that the contour is now going to contrast against the concealer and to just give it more definition. That's what we're going for. This is how small we want our forehead to look, not like this, like this. Then we'll blend. When it comes to blending, you want to start out from the edge. You don't want to blend too far out, if not, you're going to ruin everything. Just blend just a little bit in place. We're blending it in place. Get a powder puff and your favorite setting powder. I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder. And set the place you applied concealer. Press it in. So we want to make sure that the concealer stays in place throughout the day and doesn't ditch us as we are going about our day. So make sure you're putting it only where you applied concealer. Don't go too far. Now we're going to apply contour and we're going to be using these 3 shades. This at the edge, this at the middle and this to blend the edge and the middle together. So we'll start out with the darker shade, use that at the edge with a powder brush. This is for definition, even more definition. The more you layer on your makeup, the more it lasts and the more it gives that professional look. Now we'll go into the middle shade, which is this one right here. Then we'll start to blend a little bit downwards. Then we'll go on to the shade here, and we're trying to blend the lighter side of our forehead with the darker side, so it will not just have a very harsh line. But wait, did you think we were done? No. Now, to top it all off, the final touch, we're gonna need our skin tone powder to blend the middle and the front together. We want it to not be too harsh, although it's not harsh, but you know, I'm a perfectionist. We're just going to use a skin tone powder. This powder is almost finished. Oh my god, Milani, you need to sponsor me, because at this point I might as well be your ambassador for your powder, because I use it a lot. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and take a little bit of my skin tone powder and just use that to dust off the baking powder we added and just blend everything together. Not too much though. Can you see how smaller my forehead looks? And here we have the final look, guys. I am looking pretty as wow. This look, I ate. I love this look so much because it's so different from what I would normally do. You can see the green, the blush, everything is just looking so pretty, and I love it a lot. So you guys can see how easy it is to make your forehead look smaller. If you want to take it up a notch, you can use your wig to just scoot the wig down a bit and it's going to look smaller. So guys, if you want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or Mathildaduku. Hey. If you like this video, please guys subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to anyone that is struggling with makeup, because my channel is your one-stop shop for everything makeup tips and makeup tutorials. I got it. So guys, please check out my videos, which I'm going to put on the screen right here, so you can just keep on watching and keep on watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.